Hello, and sorry for the fan noise. Hopefully y'all are able to hear me okay. I'm going to show y'all today. I know I struggled for a little while to figure out how to load up an older version of Nicehash quickminer and have it as the default to run automatically. So I'm going to do a quick video right now to show how you can go download an older version of Nicehash quickminer. So step one in this process is you go to the Nicehash quickminer GitHub page. This is where, like, if you go to their main web page within your mining stuff, this is where it'll take you to anyways. So let's just say version pre-release version 0.5.4.4 RC. These are very useful right now because they have everything you need to mine at 100% on LHR cards. The main release does not. This will be good for future release stuff too. I think right now I use 4.2 on a lot of my stuff. I found it runs fairly well on my LHR cards. But essentially you come down here and download the zip file. That's what I always do. So I've already downloaded this, so most people know how to do all this. So download the zip file. You can come over here. This is version 5.4.2. So there's your file. So essentially everybody knows, let's wait a second, extract all. So from there I've extracted all. There's my folder within that folder. And here's all your main files that for your older version that you want to run instead of the new stuff. Or whatever else you may have on your computer. So the first step is you can go over here and type in add or remove programs, and you can see add or remove programs. That'll load up to this, and this is all on Windows 10. I'm not exactly sure how Windows 11 for this looks, but it's probably the same concept. I've already uninstalled it, but I forget the latest version of Nicehash quickminer. I didn't like it yet. So essentially I uninstalled Nicehash quickminer. And the location of where your actual quickminer is, especially on everything I have, is you'll go to C drive, Nicehash quickminer, and here's where all your files are. So all you need to do is, once you uninstall this, you'll essentially take all of your new files, so 5.4.2, copy all of that and paste it into here, and then from there you just run the Nicehash quickminer the normal way. Click all the check boxes to make it run automatically and all those kind of settings, and from there, voila, it'll always run the version that you want it to. You won't have the other versions on there trying to come on when you don't want them to. I know I've had that on my LHR cards where it tries to loads the newest version instead of this, I guess, the pre-release version. So I hope this helps anybody. If you like this content, please like and subscribe below. And I'll also have a sponsor at the bottom. If you could please click on that. It's probably something to do with Amazon. That's usually my sponsorship stuff is with. That helps my channel also just by clicking. And even if you like any of the products offered there, feel free to buy those. They're Amazon, and I would say most people trust what Amazon has. But okay, thank you very much. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you as fast as I can. Thank you very much.